Today we are doing the Boxycharm for the month of November. This is their month-to-month subscription, and you get 5 to 7 full-size items for $25 a month, and I love it. So I'm excited to show you what I got, and we'll go through the items together. So if that's what you want to stay tuned for, then don't click away, stay here, because I'm about to jump into this thing and rip it apart. Okay guys, sorry about the different background every single time I film. This actually makes me look like I'm wearing like a crown. Like the Jaclyn Hill when she was doing her vault collection and she wore that thing. So we are doing the Boxycharm box for November. It's this typical box. However, I feel like, did their boxes used to be shiny and smooth and they went to this, which I'm totally fine because I think the smooth and shiny makes it so you can't recycle it. Let me know if I'm crazy or whatever, but does this make it more recycle friendly because they don't have the shiny black on it anymore? I don't know. So as normal, they've got the box, you open it up, it's got the foam, it's got the card, and it tells you what is in it and how much it costs. This month is Boxycharm Stellar. I don't know if this is just everybody going through the stellar atmospheric Mercury retrograde theme thing going on. Kind of over it. It's really pretty colors though. And it's stellar. And then inside it will tell you all your items and their prices. And then it also gives you a little heads up on their different options they offer. So they have Boxy Luxe, which is their every 3 months they offer a bigger box with more items and stuff. I actually subscribe to that, so check my other videos. I do have those ones filmed and up for you. And then the Boxy pop-up, I haven't yet participated in that. I need to look into it more, but I might. This one I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You actually get to pick one of these items. One of these items is an item you get to pick and customize. I can't remember if I picked or customized this one. I think I missed the deadline because I just didn't check my email, but I'm okay not customizing sometimes. I kind of like the surprise element because sometimes those are the items I normally wouldn't pick for myself. So I feel like I get more experience with things because I am forced out of my comfort zone. That I'm gonna leave it out so I can reference it because you know how I roll. I like to tell you the item and let you know the price right away. So this month they gave you a free sample of Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer. They gave it to me in 4 different colors, so I could probably contour and get kind of fun with these, and instead of conceal, maybe contour with them to get use out of them. This is just a total extra advertisement type thing in your box, which I think is cool. Give me extras, give me samples. I'll take them. So the first item on the list is Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette. So let's start with the goods first. It's like eating dessert for dinner. Ooh, Celestial Thunder. It's an eyeshadow palette by Dominique Cosmetics. Ooh, and you open it up. Here's the little sheath that goes over it so it's protected during transit and stuff. And look at those colors. Can you say hello, fall? I am super excited. I love blues and greens and stuff. I'm glad they threw that one in there because I feel like I could do some stuff with that. Pink, I do a lot with pink shades, so I'm pretty excited about that. Really pretty and beautiful, and I'm really excited to try these colors. Retails for $35. So you got that full palette, $25 box, $35 palette, first item. It's paid for. Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. Look at that pretty packaging. How pretty is that? I don't think the camera's doing it justice. Oh, not what I imagined the bottle to look like. Item number 2, and it was, whoa. $90. $90. $90. Okay, well, that's a very expensive item, so $90. So right there, that's how many boxes worth just in that one product. See why I love Boxycharm or any makeup subscription? So much fun, all the different things you could get. Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. Found it. And it says mine is in the color Nude Mood. So it looks like a color I would, oh, I like that they run the color label the whole way around so there's no mistaking what color it is. I hate when there's such a tiny little swatch and you're trying to figure out if it's a color for you and then you just have to open it anyways. Ooh, I have usually given these away. So sometimes I've been getting nudes that are just too dark for me. And so I've been giving them away. Smells like paint. Yeah, smells like paint. But Nude Mood looks like that on my skin tone. All right. It's definitely matte. I wonder if it dries down. We'll give it a try while we're playing and doing the box, but I'll keep updating you as I go. I really like this. It almost looks like one of those Scentbird little perfume tubes a little bit, but just a frosted plastic, not kind of classy and clean looking. It does appear to me, maybe this is just my nursing brain, just looks a little medicinal to me. I don't know, but I like it so far. No scent other than that paint smell, but nothing's lingering. And no weird flavor. So far so good. We'll see how much this one cost. $18. Next item. Oh, I have so many of these and I suck at wearing lashes, but I like wearing them. But this will make me want to wear them more and get me out of my comfort zone with it. These are Lily lashes and they are faux mink. But just because they say they're faux doesn't always mean they're animal product free or cruelty free. It just means a certain level of it might not mean it. Yeah, anyways. Lily lashes, and they are in the style CEO. And Lily lashes faux mink in the style CEO, and it's $25. I do know that, lashes that are more expensive like that are supposed to last longer, and you're supposed to be able to wear them so many times before they do start to fall apart. If you take good care of them, put them back in their little sticky box and keep them clean, you can usually get more use out of lashes. If you're not somebody that can do that has super sensitive eyes, that's up to you. I'm just saying what I've heard, what I've tried, what I've seen. And I have seen that the more expensive they are, typically the more wears you get out of them and the more they hold up throughout their lifetime. So Boxycharm 2-piece brush set, and it comes in this super cute little silicone bag. I'm definitely gonna keep this bag for travel because that would be really nice to shove a bunch of your brushes in for traveling. Okay, is it weird that I'm more excited about the bag they came in than the actual product? Maybe, I don't know. It just says Boxycharm on them. It doesn't say what they're used for, so let's see what this says. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. Foundation brush has it's really heavy. Like the weight isn't distributed the way I would love it to be distributed for my use. I'd probably hold it so far down here because of the way it's weighted. This is the foundation brush. It has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement. Okay, I mean, yeah. And seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. They retail for $35. They are definitely very soft, very smooth. I feel like my usage, I would use this to contour and maybe bronzer, and I would use this one for foundation. But that's just more me and the way I like to use my brushes. But I feel like the bristles and the brush themselves are really nice, pretty soft quality. I won't know until I use them. But I feel like the brush itself is just kind of cheap. I mean, it just sounds like that cheapy plastic. And again, it's really not weighted. Like I can't even give you like a balance on it because it's so heavy on this end, on both of them. They're really heavy. And this is super light. And so I don't know if I'd like the way they're weighted for use, but that would just be something you adapt and figure out as you like the brush. So maybe it's an awesome brush and I'm just being super picky, but you know what you know, and you know what you like, and you know what works for you. And I don't usually use a brush for liquid foundation, so I would have to figure out some other use for this one. But like I said earlier, this one could be a contour, a bronzer, maybe even a blush. I don't know. I'll play with these and see. Could I contour right here? Yeah, I could probably use that for nose contour. But yeah, I'm gonna try these. Don't know if I'll love them. I'll let you guys know via other social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter. I will make, Twitter's usually where I just go to rant. So you wanna see my sarcastic mouth, go there. But social media, as far as Instagram and Snapchat, those are my major places where I'll talk about things. And I'm gonna be doing it more and more and more. So don't miss out on it, because Snapchat, once it's gone, right? But yeah, I'll try these. It does come with this really cool bag that might seem super lame to everybody else, but I'm kind of excited because that's like a good little travel pouch for your brushes. Like, can you feel the silicone-y sound? And that's everything. That's everything that came in my box. I definitely did not pick any of these items this time. And again, that's totally fine because I'm happy with all of them. Lipstick, totally fine, digging it. The color in here isn't awesome because I'm in my living room and lighting just is not good. I'm really excited about the lipstick. I'm gonna be wearing it more often. I'm probably just gonna take it to work tonight and keep applying and see how I like it. Lashes, if I get gutsy in the next 20 minutes, maybe I'll apply them, maybe I won't. But I do need to start getting more used to wearing them so that way it's not super uncomfortable and awkward at the Christmas party and I'm all like, oh, my eyelashes are driving me crazy. So I do want to start practicing before that happens so they look more natural and cute on me rather than, oh, she's trying too hard. Know what I'm saying? So, and then we've got the $90 serum and we have this really pretty Dominant Cosmetic palette with those really pretty colors that I am really digging because honestly, like that brown right there is just a really nice brown this is what I gravitate towards. This is a brown I gravitate towards. So I'm pretty excited and the camera doesn't do it justice, but this is a purple. Really pretty, really, really pretty. I'm excited to use it. I love when they're cardboard and not plastic because I just think, hello, Earth, gotta be nice to it. We only have one. I just have to, I don't wanna swatch it before I take pictures. All right, self-control, Cassie, self-control. I'm gonna take pictures, then I'm swatching the crap out of them and I'll let you guys know. But there's the lipstick. It definitely has dried down. It's a little tacky on my hand still, but I went pretty hot and heavy with that swatch. So we'll see how it dries down. It doesn't feel sticky on my lips, but it doesn't feel dry either, which if it's gonna be a matte liquid lipstick, I prefer that because I have really dry lips and I don't like the matte lipsticks that just make your lips so dry and cracked that it looks gross. So I typically don't use matte lipsticks, but this one might be something I kind of like, especially the color coming into fall and winter. I don't know, we'll see. What did you guys get in your Boxycharm this month? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Which items did you pick? Are you gonna keep subscribing? Are you gonna newly subscribe? Are you gonna cancel? What's your plan? I'd like to know. I like to compare items, so please tag me in any of your social media posts. If you're tagging Boxycharm or Ipsy or whatever you're unboxing, I like to see what everybody else gets and kind of compare items. So please tag me at Manic Mommy on any social media and I will see it and I will comment and I will love it because I kind of want to see what everybody gets. That's what the fun of makeup is, exploring and just enjoying it, you know? So please follow me on all my social medias. Please like and subscribe. And I hope you have a rad day and bye. Just thought I'd let you guys know that I was washing my hands with Dawn dish soap and this Dose of Colors lipstick not coming off because remember that smudge was from me. But yeah, this is like not coming off. So whether or not I like the color, I'm stuck with it today. But just letting you know.